Have you ever witnessed a miracle where 18 years of suffering ended in a single moment? Let's explore how Jesus healed a bent-over woman instantly. One Sabbath day, Jesus was teaching in a synagogue. There was a woman there, a woman who had been crippled for 18 long years. Her back was so bent that she couldn't even stand upright, let alone look up at the sky. People may have pitied her, but no one could help her. But that day, Jesus was there, and when he saw her, everything changed. Jesus called her forward and said, "Woman, you are set free from your infirmity." Then he placed his hands on her. And what happened? Immediately she stood up straight. Her back was healed, instantly, and she began praising God. This was no ordinary moment. It was proof that Jesus doesn't just preach, he heals. He restores the heart, the body, and the soul. But not everyone was happy. Some religious leaders were angry. They said, "This is the Sabbath. Healing is work." Jesus replied, "Don't you untie your ox or donkey on the Sabbath and lead it to water? Then why shouldn't this woman, bound by Satan for 18 years, be set free on the Sabbath day?" The crowd rejoiced because God's power had been revealed before their eyes. If you're also facing any burden, remember, still heals. He still sets people free. He still lifts you up. Share this video with others. Subscribe to our channel, Reality of God.